Now cosecant alpha plus cot alpha by cosecant alpha minus cot alpha is equal to sin square alpha by 1 minus cos alpha whole square. Now let us take the left hand side, convert it in terms of sin and cos, because this is also given in terms of sin and cos. Now the numerator is 1 by sin alpha cos alpha by sin alpha whole by 1 by sin alpha minus cos alpha by sin alpha. Now if we take the LCM, in the numerator it is 1 plus cos alpha by sin alpha, and in the denominator 1 minus cos alpha by sin alpha. We will reverse it. This is sin alpha by 1 minus cos alpha. These two gets cancelled. So the thing which we are left is 1 plus cos alpha by 1 minus cos alpha. If we look at the answer, 1 minus cos alpha whole square is there. For that purpose, let us multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos alpha. So this is 1 plus cos alpha by 1 minus cos alpha. This we are multiplying by 1 minus cos alpha and dividing by 1 minus cos alpha. Now the numerator becomes 1 minus cos square alpha, and the denominator is 1 minus cos alpha whole square. And 1 minus cos square alpha becomes sin square alpha. 1 minus cos alpha whole square. This is what we are asked to prove. So the left hand side is converted in terms of sin and cos. This is 1 by sin alpha plus cos alpha by sin alpha. Here 1 by sin alpha minus cos alpha by sin alpha. We have taken the LCM in the numerator, so we are left with 1 plus cos alpha by sin alpha. Here after taking the LCM and reversing, it is sin alpha by 1 minus cos alpha. These two gets cancelled. So we are left with this answer. Now here it is 1 minus cos alpha whole square. Therefore to get this, we have to multiply and divide this by 1 minus cos alpha. Now this is 1 plus cos into 1 minus cos became 1 minus cos square alpha. Therefore this is 1 minus cos alpha whole square. And 1 minus cos square alpha is nothing but sin square alpha. By this is 1 minus cos alpha whole square. This is what we are asked to prove. Sin alpha minus cos alpha into secant alpha plus cosecant alpha is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square alpha into tan alpha plus cot alpha. Now let us take the LHS. This is sin alpha first, and here it is written as sin alpha minus cos alpha, and let us convert these two. 1 by cos alpha plus 1 by sin alpha. Now this is sin alpha minus cos alpha Here the LCM is cos alpha and sin alpha. The numerator becomes sin plus cos alpha. Now this is sin alpha minus cos alpha, and this is sin alpha plus cos alpha. This a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, means sin square alpha minus cos square alpha by cos alpha and sin alpha. Here if we observe, the first part is in terms of cos, therefore let us convert the sin square alpha into cos square alpha. So thereby this is 1 minus cos square alpha minus cos square alpha by sin alpha into cos alpha. Now minus cos square alpha and minus cos square alpha becomes minus 2 cos square alpha. Therefore the first part of the answer, 1 minus 2 cos square alpha this we got, and the remaining part let us write it as 1 by sin alpha into cos alpha. Now this is 1 minus 2 cos square alpha, we got it, and here it is in terms of tan. When the denominator is expressed as the product of sin and cos, and if you want to convert it in terms of tan, make this 1 as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square alpha, and this 1 we will write it as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha by sin alpha into cos alpha. Now let us split them. This is 1 minus 2 cos square alpha into this is sin square alpha by sin alpha cos alpha plus cos square alpha by sin alpha cos alpha. Square and sin cancel, square and cos cancel. Therefore this is 1 minus 2 cos square alpha into this is tan alpha. This is what we are asked to prove. So we have taken the left hand side, and the sin alpha minus cos alpha is kept like this. Secant alpha is written as 1 by cos, cosecant is 1 by sin alpha, and afterwards we have taken LCM here. In the numerator we have got sin alpha plus cos alpha. Now this is a minus b, this is a plus b. A square minus b square means sin square alpha minus cos square alpha, and the denominator is cos alpha sin alpha. When we have looked at the answer, the first part is in terms of cos, therefore the sin square alpha is written as 1 minus cos square alpha, minus cos square becomes minus 2 cos square alpha. Therefore this is 1 minus 2 cos square alpha into this is written as 1 by sin alpha cos alpha. The second part of the answer is expressed in terms of tan and cot. Therefore this is kept like this, and this is 1 is written as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha by this. Now this is as it is. This we have split into two terms, sin square alpha by sin alpha cos alpha plus cos square alpha by sin alpha cos alpha. Square and sin cancel, square and cos cancel. This is sin alpha by cos alpha becomes tan alpha. Cos alpha by sin alpha becomes cot alpha. That is the answer. Tan alpha plus cosecant beta whole square minus of cot beta minus secant alpha whole square tan alpha plus cosecant beta whole square minus of cot beta minus secant alpha whole square is equal to 2 tan alpha cot beta into cosecant alpha plus secant beta. This is the problem which we have to prove. Now, the left hand side, the first one is a plus b whole square, the second one is a minus b whole square. But not same. Let us expand this. So, a plus b whole square means a square is tan square alpha plus b square is cosecant square beta plus 2 tan alpha into cosecant beta plus this is minus is also taken inside minus cot square beta minus secant square alpha plus 2 cot beta into secant alpha. And can be written as secant square alpha minus 1 and this cosecant square beta can be written as 1 plus cot square beta, or this is cosecant square minus cot square beta, it is 1, and we can take minus common here in these two. Therefore, secant square alpha minus tan square alpha, it is also 1. Therefore, they both get cancelled. Otherwise, you have to convert these two into secant and this one. So, let us go for cosecant square beta minus cot square beta. Here in these two, we will take minus. This is secant square alpha minus tan square alpha. And here in these two, we can take 2 common. 2 into tan alpha cosecant beta plus secant alpha. Now, cosecant square beta minus cot square beta is 1. Secant square alpha minus tan square alpha is 1. Therefore, this is 1 minus 1 plus 2 into tan alpha cosecant beta plus cot beta secant alpha. Now, these two got cancelled. So, when we look at the answer in the right hand side, only this 2 is getting tallied. The remaining thing is not tallied. Here it is tan alpha into cot beta. If we want tan alpha into cot beta, let us multiply this by tan alpha into cot beta and divide this by tan alpha into cot beta. Therefore, now here it is 2 into, we are multiplying by tan alpha cot beta into tan alpha cosecant beta plus cot beta secant alpha is divided by tan alpha cot beta, so that the value does not change. Now, this is 2 tan alpha cot beta into, when we split this, tan and tan gets cancelled, so you are left with cosecant beta by cot beta plus here cot beta gets cancelled, we are left with secant alpha by tan alpha. Now also this part is not obtained. So this is 2 into tan alpha into cot beta. This cosecant beta, we will write it as 1 by sin beta. And the denominator is cot beta, means cos beta by sin beta. If I reverse it, sin beta by cos beta plus this is 1 by cos alpha, and tan alpha, when it is taken to the numerator, you can write it as cos alpha by sin alpha. Now this sin beta gets cancelled, cos alpha gets cancelled. Therefore this is 2 into tan alpha into cot beta into 1 by cos beta is secant beta plus this is cosecant alpha. This is what we are asked to prove. So in the beginning we have expanded a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a minus b whole square minus is taken inside, therefore minus cot square beta minus secant square alpha plus 2 cot beta secant alpha. So cosecant square beta and minus cot square beta are written here. Here these two we have taken minus common. So secant square alpha minus tan square alpha. Here in these two we have taken 2 common. Now cosecant square beta minus cot square beta is 1, and secant square alpha minus tan square alpha is 1, 1 minus 1 plus 2 into this is as it is. 1 and 1 gets cancelled. Now we are left with 2 into tan alpha cosecant beta plus cot beta into secant alpha, but it is not the answer. Here it is tan alpha into cot beta is there. Therefore we are multiplying this answer by tan alpha cot beta and dividing it by tan alpha cot beta. Therefore 2 into tan alpha cot beta, and the remaining part tan alpha cosecant beta plus cot beta secant alpha is divided by tan alpha cot beta. Now this 2 tan alpha cot beta is here, and this, when we split this, these 2 by this means tan gets cancelled, cosecant beta by cot beta. This by this cot gets cancelled, secant alpha by tan alpha. Now we have written cosecant beta as 1 by sin, and cot is cos by sin. When we reverse it, it is sin by cos, and secant alpha is 1 by cos alpha. Tan alpha is sin by cos. When we reverse it, cos alpha by sin alpha. Now 1 by cos beta is secant beta, 1 by sin alpha is cosecant alpha. This is the answer. Sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to minus of tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 7. Sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square minus of tan square theta plus cot square theta equal to 7. Now let us take the LHS. The first one is a plus b whole square means sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta, plus the second one is cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta secant theta. If we take the minus inside, it is minus tan square theta minus cot square theta. Now, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosecant, and this is cos square plus secant square plus 2 cos into secant minus tan square minus cot square. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin, therefore these two gets cancelled. Secant is the reciprocal of cos, these two gets cancelled. And this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here it is 2, here it is 2, 4, and sin square plus cos square is 1, therefore it is 5. Plus this secant square theta minus tan square theta, and this is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. So this is 5 plus secant square minus tan square is 1, cosecant square minus cot square is 1, therefore the answer is 7. So the left hand side, the first one, a plus b whole square, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta cosecant theta. This is cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta into secant theta. Minus comes inside, minus tan square theta minus cot square theta. Sin and cosecant are reciprocals to each other. So therefore, this is 1 by sin gets cancelled. Here it is 1 by cos, this also gets cancelled. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And sin square plus cos square is 1, this is 5. Plus secant square theta minus tan square theta. And cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. This is 1, this is 1. Therefore 5 plus 1 is equal to 7. Plus 2 alpha plus 1 by secant square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin power 4 alpha. Now LHS is cos power 4 alpha plus 2 cos square alpha into 1 minus 1 by secant square can be written as cos square alpha. Now 1 minus cos square alpha can be written as sin square alpha, and here cos square alpha can be taken as common factor. Therefore we will take cos square alpha as common. So this is cos square alpha plus 2 into, this is taken out and this becomes sin square alpha. Now the answer is expressed completely in terms of sin. Therefore we will write this cos square alpha as 1 minus sin square alpha. This also 1 minus sin square alpha plus 2 sin square alpha. Now this is 1 minus sin square alpha, and this is minus sin square plus 2 sin square becomes 1 plus sin square alpha, and thereby the answer is a minus b into a plus b 1 minus sine power 4 alpha. So this is cos power 4 alpha. 2 cos square alpha into 1 minus 1 by secant square is written as cos square alpha. And this here we will get cos square alpha common. And 1 minus cos square can be written as sine square. So first we have taken cos square alpha common. Here we are left with cos square alpha plus 2. This has gone out in common. 1 minus cos square alpha is sine square alpha. So if we look here, the answer is expressed in terms of sine. Therefore cos square alpha is written as 1 minus sine square alpha. And this is also 1 minus sine square alpha plus 2 sine square alpha. Now this is minus sine square alpha and this is 2 sine square alpha. So this becomes 1 plus sine square alpha. So this is 1 minus sine square alpha into 1 plus sine square alpha. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square means 1 minus sine power 4 alpha. Sine power 4 alpha plus 2 sine square alpha into 1 minus 1 by cosecant square alpha is equal to 1 minus cos power 4 alpha. Similar to the previous problem. So this is LHS. The first one is sine power 4 alpha. Plus the second one is 2 sine square alpha as it is into 1 minus 1 by cosecant square alpha can be written as sine square alpha. Now sine square alpha can be taken as common factor and 1 minus sine square alpha is cos square alpha. That sine square alpha is taken as common. Here sine square alpha is left. Here it is 2 into 1 minus sine square alpha is cos square alpha. Now the answer is expressed completely in terms of cosines. Therefore, let us write this as 1 minus cos square alpha into this is 1 minus cos square alpha plus 2 cos square alpha. Therefore this is 1 minus cos square alpha into minus cos square plus 2 cos square becomes 1 plus cos square alpha. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square means 1 minus cos power 4 alpha. So this is sine power 4 alpha plus 2 sine square alpha into 1 minus 1 by cosecant is sine square alpha. Now here in these two sine square alpha is common. Now this is sine square alpha is left here plus 2 into 1 minus sine square alpha is cos square alpha. Now the answer is expressed in terms of cosines. Therefore this is written as 1 minus cos square alpha. This is also 1 minus cos square alpha plus 2 cos square alpha. Therefore this is 1 minus cos square alpha. This is minus and this is plus. Therefore this is 1 plus cos square alpha. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square means 1 minus cos power 4 alpha. 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now, the left hand side is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Numerator is whole square, denominator is whole square, therefore entire this thing is whole square. Now, this is in the form a plus b. Let us multiply the numerator and denominator by a minus b. That means this is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. Now the numerator is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. It becomes 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. And the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. For the numerator is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square, by the denominator is 1 plus sin theta whole square minus cos square theta, and the entire thing whole square is here. So here it is whole square, and after multiplying numerator and denominator, here whole square, now whole square. Now let us expand the numerator. This is 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta by the denominator 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus cos square theta. For these things, this is once again this whole square. Now, in the numerator, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus, this is 2 sin theta. Here minus 2 cos theta can be taken as common factor. So it is 1 plus sin theta. Here this 1 minus cos square becomes sin square. Sin square plus sin square is 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta whole square. Now 2 we can take common here, 2 into 1 plus sin theta minus 2 cos theta into 1 plus sin theta whole by 2 sin theta is common here, and here also we will get sin theta plus 1 whole square. Now 1 plus sin theta can be taken as common. Here also 1 plus sin theta is here. Therefore, throughout both in the numerator and denominator, we can remove 1 plus sin theta. Thereby we are left with 2 minus 2 cos theta, that is 2 into 1 minus cos theta by 2 sin theta whole square. 2 gets cancelled, and this is 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta. The denominator sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So therefore this is 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. And now the numerator is 1 minus cos square theta. The denominator is 1 minus, numerator is 1 minus cos theta whole square. Denominator is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. వస్తుందా రావట్లేదా? 1 plus cos theta. Therefore the square and this cancel. Therefore the answer remaining is 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. A lengthier problem, of course. This is given. Here we have multiplied by 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta both in the numerator and denominator. Thereby the numerator is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. By the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Entire thing has got whole square. When we expand the numerator, 1 plus sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. By denominator is 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus cos square theta. And here sin square plus cos square is 1, and this is 1, this is 2, and this is 2 sin theta. In these two we have taken minus 2 cos theta as common factor. Now this is 2 into 1 plus sin theta minus this is 2 cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. By here 2 sin theta is common, and sin theta plus 1, entire thing has got whole square. Now in the numerator and denominator 1 plus sin theta is taken throughout and cancelled. After cancelling this, 2 minus 2 cos theta is left, 2 is taken common. 2 into 1 minus cos theta by the denominator is sin theta, here it is whole square. Now this is 1 minus cos theta whole square and the denominator is sin square theta. It is written as 1 minus cos square. And the factors for 1 minus cos square are 1 minus cos into 1 plus cos, and square and 1 minus cos cancel. This is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta.